Founded in 1986, Horlogerie Desbiolles is the go-to place in Geneva if you have a timepiece or a clock that needs repairing. Now managed by the third generation of the Desbiolles family, this charming, old-fashioned watch boutique also sells vintage watches from brands such as Rolex, Patek Philippe and Audemars Piguet, restoring them where needed. For very old pieces, it even has the know-how to make watch parts to complete restoration that is often impossible to do with the brand itself. In addition to working with timekeepers from the past, Horlogerie Desbiolles is also the official Swiss point of sale for a relatively new brand called Behrens. Founded in Shenzhen, China in 2012, the brand came to Europe only last year with its inauguration at the watch fair Time to Watches. In this short time, it has already been nominated for the Grand Prix d'Horlogerie de Genève, with two of its watches taking part in the competition in 2020, with a rotary watch that was nominated for the Challenge category, and the A-Polar model for the Calendar and Astronomy prize. Horlogerie Desbiolles doesn't usually sell new watches, but its watchmakers were extremely impressed with Behrens' quality, creativity, and design, and accepted to present the brand's entire collection. The big news for the end of the year is that Behrens is presenting a collaborative timepiece with the independent Russian watchmaker Konstantin Chaykin. Chaykin has designed a series of timepieces for Behrens that are based on his famous Joker timepiece that indicates the hours and minutes with its eyes and the seconds with its mouth. The pieces are the perfect match for Behrens' sense of mechanical creativity. They're produced in Behrens' workshops and available at Horlogerie Desbiolles. So now, you don't need a broken watch to be able to visit this magical horological institution. You can pop in to see the Behrens timepieces, which are definitely worth the detour.